I just wrote a poem and I'm going to share it with you. It is titled The Accused Poet. What do you mean that my poems aren't Jamaican? Were you there with me in Waterhouse when hunger licked me shut? But Miss Eddie Grant Pickney, who was taught to keep pride in her stride, never begged nobody, but instead, at lunchtime she leave her classroom and head to the play field at Balmaji, and there she walked round and round the expanse, kicking stones to kill the noise of the rumbling chime in her belly, while from time to time taking a glance to see if anybody noticed how depravity left her feeling hopeless. What do you mean that my poems don't sound Jamaican? So Jamaicans don't talk English too? Since when Jamaica an English speaking country? Missus, me no know what do you. Me want know if my Jamaican authenticity lies only in my tongue. So because me chat standard English, you come accuse me? Come and tell me that me can't be part of the fraternity? Blame it pa me bourgeoisie grandmother. Countless days we had nothing to eat. But the one thing she fed me on is words. Yes, proper grammar, proper diction. That is what mama teach. What a retrograde stance you now take as society watch our nation's children struggling to make the English grade. Nothing in a that fi celebrate. So you mean fi tell me say Miss Gervan commit a sin when she helped mold this inner city girl into something? Wicked wanton liars on be. That's why Bob Marley say we must emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. Alright then. A some patwa you want? See it there. Or should I say, here, take it.